Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making elk prime rib with horseradish crust. This recipe takes 30 minutes to prep and 3 hours to cook. Serves 12 to 15 and is advanced difficulty. Ingredients: 7 to 8 pound elk prime rib roast, 7 ribs, 1/4 cup Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons olive oil, kosher salt and cracked black pepper, 1 cup day-old brioche fresh breadcrumbs, 1/2 cup freshly grated horseradish root, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, 3 tablespoons melted butter, 2 tablespoons fresh thyme, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Step 1. Preparation. Remove roast from refrigerator 2 hours before cooking. Season generously with salt 1 hour ahead. Step 2. Mustard coating. Brush entire roast with Dijon mustard mixed with olive oil. Step 3. Initial searing. Roast at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes to develop crust and color. Step 4. Slow roasting. Reduce temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting until internal temperature reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Intermediate step before crust application. Step 5. Crust preparation. Combine all crust ingredients while roast cooks. Step 6. Crust application. When roast reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit internal, remove and apply horseradish crust mixture, pressing gently to adhere. Step 7. Final cooking. Increase oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue roasting 10 to 15 minutes until crust is golden and internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 8. Resting. Rest 20 minutes before carving. Temperature will rise to 150 degrees Fahrenheit plus for medium rare. Note: 145 degrees Fahrenheit minimum with 3-minute rest for food safety. And that's how you make elk prime rib with horseradish crust. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.